Yes guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do a breakfast video. Today I'm gonna do some fried dumpling with tin mackerel with baked bean. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So these are the ingredients for the tin mackerel. Right here I have some tomato and some garlic, some green onion and some scotch bonnet pepper, also some sweet pepper and some white onion. In this now is the baked bean. And this is the mackerel that I'll be using. Yep. Alright. Okay guys, this is the flour that I'll be using. And in this bowl I have some milk, I have some salt, I have some baking powder, and some water, and some butter. This butter will be melted. Yeah. So I'll be start by adding the dry ingredients. This is the baking powder. This is the salt. Now I'll be adding the milk. Okay, so already added the milk. Now I'll be adding the butter. I will use a spoon to mix all the ingredients together. So it distributed across even. So now I'll be start by pouring water. I like to use a spoon to mix the dough, right? Because I don't want to overwork the dough too much. Right, so just keep on mixing it until it forms together. Okay guys, so this is the dough. I will just cover it and set it aside. Sit for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna add some cooking oil. Okay. So I just give it like a next 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Then I will just start by adding stuffs. Now I'm just gonna add the garlic first. Yeah. Then I'll just do the green onions. And here I have some red bell pepper. And then the white onions. Now add the tomato. Yeah. Just gonna saute this. Let it cook for about the next 30 seconds. And then I will be adding the dry seasoning. Mackerel, I don't use much season, but I'll just add a bit of garlic. Yeah. I mostly use black pepper. Yeah. So I'll just add some black pepper there. Yeah, and I'm gonna do some peppercorn also. Yeah, and for the salt, just use a sprinkle of salt. Okay guys, so now just make the garnish cooked a bit. I still like my garnish a bit crunchy, so I don't let them overcook. So now I'm just gonna add the mackerel. Yeah, there are big chunks of mackerel. I like to use a spoon and pull them apart. I'm gonna add the baked bean. I'm just gonna cover this for a minute and a half. And you need a medium heat fire. You don't need a high fire, high flame. You need like a medium heat, and just let it sit there for like a minute and a half to 2 minutes, and we should be good. This is the pot that I'm gonna be frying the dumplings in. I don't really like frying dumplings in frying pan. I try to do it in a pot that I can do a type of deep fry. I rather it like it's more a deep fry type of dumpling. It's way easier and it is better for me. So here's the dough. I'm just gonna make the dumplings and put them here. By the time I'm done, the oil will be hot, so I'll just put them in. And by rolling, I remember you don't really want to overwork the dough too much, because you know the softer the dough is, the softer your dumpling will be. So I'll be just making them and placing them here until the oil is hot. Going to put these in. Yeah, I'm going to add these in. This over here. All right, almost done. Okay. Like the pot can hold more than 6, so I guess I'm just gonna put all. Well, I'm not gonna put all. I'm not sure how big the dumpling's gonna get, so I'm gonna yeah, that should be good. So okay guys, I make it to the end of another video, and hope you guys watch and enjoy this video. And remember to like, comment. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And this is the finishing product. This is the tin mackerel. I garnish it with some tomato on the sides, and these are the fried dumpling.